Hello, my name is Gracie Anamovril. My metric number is 177599. This video is regarding the assignments on the subject STE 3400 Mathematics Teaching Methods. The assignment of problem-based learning titled Know Me Better Teacher, Please. My first respondent is Nur Shazwina Fatini binti Abdul Manaf. She is a Form 5 student of SMK Sri Sudam. She is the youngest in 5 siblings. Her current results in mathematics is 40%, which we consider it as the grade. And her problems in mathematics is the words in transformation tree, and where the cause of the problem is because she is not in the class when the topic is stuck. When I tested her with some easy questions on this topic, she seems to not be able to understand all the questions, and I can see that her basic knowledge on this topic is very poor. And therefore, I tried a lot of strategies to help her. And the first strategies is by explaining the concept to her. The concept in transformation tree, including the definition of enlargement, translation, rotation and reflection, is very important to help her to visualize what these topics are. And the second strategy is by trying a simple case. The simple case is the problem that is a simple problem. It's a direct question and easy to understand. This is important for Wina to get to know what type of questions that can be asked in this topic. And the third strategy is by trial and improvement. I give Wina a lot of homework and exercises for her to practice on the problems and improve her force in answering the questions. By lots of trials, it seems like she was able to tackle the problems compared with her first trials. And the fourth is by drawing diagrams. In this topic, it is very important to draw diagrams for Wina to visualize what is the problem are, and for her to easily answer the questions. Okay, and the fifth strategy is by working backwards. I taught Wina how to working backwards in order to check the answers and to make sure the answer is correct. And lastly, the last strategy is by logical reasoning. I always ask Wina to explain her answer and to make sure she is fully understand the concept and what is she doing, why her answer is like that. So therefore, through these strategies, I can say that it is working because Wina can answer all the questions that I have given her on our last appointment, and she was able to explain the logical reasonings on the answer that she gave me. Okay. For my next respondent is Ronald Joseph. He is 21 years old, and he is currently studying in UPM in Bachelor of Computer Science. His previous high school is SM LaSalle in Sabah, and his grade in mathematics subject in SPM is A+. However, he has a serious problem in Form 5 mathematics in the topic of variation. The cause of the problem is because he slept in class since he is a busy sports student and lack of exercise in this topic. So when I tested him on this topic, it seems like he can answer a bit on the easy questions, but the worst problem is on the combinatory variation, and where he can't even do the equation from the combinatory variation. Therefore, the strategies that I use to solve his problem is by representation. The representation is a process of analyzing a mathematical problem and interpret it from one mode to another. So through this representation, it enables Ronald to find relationship between mathematical ideas that are informal, intuitive and abstract using everyday language. Through this representation, it shows that it really helps Ronald to make an equation from the combinatory variation. Okay? For the second strategies is by mathematical connection. By mathematical connection, Ronald is able to see mathematics as an integrated whole rather than a jumble of unconnected ideas. So I teach Ronald how to make a mathematical connection from the problem that is given to him. Through that, he was able to make a a connection and make an equation regarding the combinatorial variation. And the third strategy is the application. So I emphasize Ronald on the importance of understanding this topic in daily basis and the use of this knowledge in daily problem to help him visualize the concept. Because I'm sure that through explaining the application to him, he can make a connection and value this knowledge more. Okay, and the last strategy is by trial and improvement. By giving him a lot of exercises, he was able to practice in the problem and improve his faults in answering the problem. Lots of trial give him confidence to tackle the problem when compared to his first trial in the problem that I gave him. Therefore, I can say that the strategy is working also because Ronald is able to answer all the questions that I have given him